Did you see that? That video is so smooth. Do you want your footage to be same as that? Then stick around, and we'll tell you how to get a sick footage like that. Ha ha ha. I know, some camera now can do smooth footage even without a gimbal, but not as smooth as this. Look at this comparison. GoPro hypersmooth. With gimbal. GoPro hypersmooth. With gimbal. GoPro hypersmooth. With gimbal. Go hypersmooth. With gimbal. Ha ha ha. Let's just choose a gimbal for smoothness. Soon GoPro Hero 9 will be in the market. Then maybe that version will be the gimbal killer. For now, let's just give a moment for this gimbal before I sell this out.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
This is wearable gimbal from FeiyuTech. This is a 3-axis gimbal. This gimbal is invented based on the chicken head. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. For this brand of gimbal, we need to mount it upside down. So when you are in a riding position, the arm of the gimbal will not block the camera view. Take a look at this. What the f***? Don't look at the nice abs. I mean ab. Ha ha ha. Another important thing you need to know about the gimbal. All gimbal, if you want it, will set at 90 degrees to the horizon. If you're riding in a forest trail, this may not be the best angle. Take a look at this. Our advice here, when you on the gimbal, you need to point a bit your camera down, so can see a little bit more on your handlebar. Then they can see how you smash those trails. Ha ha ha. Now we take a look side by side. Please choose which view you prefer. I choose view 2. Ha ha ha. But if you are not on a forest kind of trail, more on an open and exposed trail, the 90 degrees horizon angle is much better. Check this out. I'm getting sleepy with this music. Ha ha ha. Let's drop that hardcore edit.
Wow!
Ha ha ha. That's all guys. Hope this tutorial will help you improve your footage. Don't buy a gimbal. Just wait for GoPro Hero 9. Will be out on September. Ha ha ha. Wait, one more thing. GoPro Hero 8 Boost Hypersmooth is useless. Ha ha ha. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Right on. Ha ha ha.